طيب, hello everyone. We are Group 7. Today we'll be presenting our project titled Data-Driven Insights into Global Video Game Sales. My name is Ibrahim Mubarak Ibrahim Izzeddin, and together with my group members, we will be talking throughout this main finding of our report. For our introduction, the video game industry is one of the largest entertainment sectors worldwide, generating billions of dollars in revenue each year. It spans multiple platforms such as PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and PC. This covers a wide range of genres from action to RPG. Because of this diversity in the industry, generate rich data that can be used to analyze customer behavior and market trends. That's why for our problem statement, despite this growth, publishers often face uncertainty about what actually driven sales across regions and platforms. For example, RGBs are popular in Japan, but the action and sport are dominating in North America and Europe. Without data-driven approach, publishers risk wasting resources on production and distribution and marketing strategies that may not be effective. Also, depending on that, for our objective, we came up with four objectives for our project. First one is to analyze the global and regional sales trends and identify the key factors influencing the sales, and also building a predictive model to estimate the sales based on the game attributes, and also to provide accountable recommendation for publishers and markets.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Azam Khalid, and to guide our analysis, we asked four main research questions. What are the global regional sales trends? How do factors like genuine platform and publisher affect sales? Can we predict sales by attributes like platforms in general? And what recommendation can we give to publisher to improve future strategies? The Literates highlights the industrial consistent growth, with revenue in 2024 estimated at nearly $188 billion. The market is evenly split between PC, console, and mobile games, and hardware cycles have a major impact on the revenue trends. These insights set the context for understanding our findings. Studies also showed strong regional differences. For instance, RGBs are more popular in Japan, while action sports games dominate in North America and Europe. Reviews and ratings also matter. Both critic and user score strongly influence sales, although at very high ratings, the effect becomes weaker. Our our data set comes from Kaggle and include over 16,000 games released between 1980 and 2016. We clean missing values, standardized platform and publisher names, included included categories and applied scaling where needed. For our tools, we mainly use Python libraries such as NumPy and skitty-learn, and also Seaborn. So for the EDA global trends, our exploratory analysis showed that the video game sales are highly skewed. Most games sold fewer than excuse me, more than 1 million unit, while a few blockbusters exceeded 20 million. Sales peaked in 2008 and 2009 during the Wii and DS era, before declining in later console cycles. Action, sport, and shooter titles are the top selling general worldwide.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Yasir, and I will talk about the EDA, regional trends and platforms. And we also saw strong regional differences. Action and sports dominate in North America and Europe, while RPGs are more much popular in Japan. In terms of platforms, Nintendo and PlayStation lead the market, showing the importance of platforms exclusive strong franchises. Moving on to the diagnostic analysis, we're looking at the sales by genre and platform. We found that shooters and platforms games had the highest average sales per title. Nintendo platforms such as WII and NES dominated in average sales, showing the power of exclusive hits. Regional corrections also showed that North America and Europe strongly align with global sales, while Japan has more unique patterns.
And then for our predictive modeling part, for the prediction, we tested linear regression in random forest and gradient boosting. The results were modest. For the linear regression, it was very weak, while the random forest and gradient boosting performed slightly better, with the R2 values being below 0.1. This means that the basic attributes like genre, platform, are not enough to predict the global sales accurately. Other factors such as reviews, marketing budget, and franchise history are likely to matter more.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Abdurrahman Muhammad Sharif. I'm talking about recommendation perspective. We have main 4 points based on our finding. We recommend publisher to first one found focus on our focus on action and sport in North America and Europe and RPGs in Japan. Second one, continue investing in PlayStation and Nintendo console while tracking the new hardware and cycles. The third one, a smaller publisher should specialize in niche genres or collaborate with major distributors. The fourth one's in niche predictive analytic by including crit review, marketing data, and French history.
And then for discussion and insights, our findings shows that the industry relies heavily on a small number of blockbusters title. Regional preferences strongly affect the demand, and the performance cycle also play a major role. For publishers, this mean the strategies must be adapted to the cultural and regional differences. However, the dataset is limited to 2016 and lacked critical and marketing data, which restrict the modeling prediction accuracy. And then for our conclusion, in conclusion, our project applied the data science pipeline to video games. We uncovered global and regional sales pattern, identifying the influence of genres and platforms. We tested the predictive models. While the models were weak, the project highlights the importance of incorporating richer datasets for better forecasting and smarter decision making. And that was our presentation, and thank you for listening.